What's up, y'all? It's your boy Sticky Nasty. What I have with me today is the MacBook Pro. Now, I've been waiting for maybe like a year and a half to get this computing device, and it's never really been the right time to get one. Like, either something came up or I wanted to make like a better purchase. It's a really big purchase. We're gonna just get that out the way. So it's something that you kind of have to plan for, and I guess now is the best time to do it. Well, was the best time to do it. So I went ahead and got it. I'll give you a little more backstory later on, but for now, just enjoy me unboxing this beautiful machine, and yeah, we'll go from there. Bro, I don't think y'all could possibly feasibly understand how long I've waited and waited for this moment. It's been like a year and a half of me basically harassing my wife nonstop, bringing up MacBooks in any conversation possible. I'm knowing she's done with me. My paperwork might be in the mail. I just haven't checked the mail in a few days, but we finally here, and I couldn't be happier. So initially, I wanted a MacBook because they said that they work really well with photography and editing pictures and all that. And the problem was, I was cool with getting a Windows laptop, but they had so many, and I didn't know which one was right for me. And I was like, oh, all right, I'll just keep it simple, just get a MacBook. But you can't get like a regular Air, or now they got the Neo, and just expect to do everything you wanted to do. And I mean, they do. So I needed some kind of Mac. I got the Mini. Now that's cool too, but bro, the Mini is not this wavy, bro. Look at this thing. That's wavy. Come on. And then you can take it everywhere with you. The problem with the Mini was that I wanted to take it everywhere with me, and now I'm satisfying the need with that. Maybe like last week. Yeah, that was last week. I tried the Air. It was a nice, affordable price.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
Excuse me? So it sounded like she rushing me. But anyway, I got the Air, right? It was cool. I'm not going to lie. And I more so liked how it felt. I like how it felt, and I liked how it looked. I like how thin it was. But it was just the screen just wasn't for me. So I went on ahead, chucked it up. Got the Pro. They all started a terabyte now. It's gonna bite me in the ass later. And I want to say I was patient and saved up and all that, but no, I just used the firm, bro. We messed up around here, but like, yeah, look at it, man. Look how smooth it is. It's my first time having a MacBook, man. The touchpad all smooth and sensitive. Well, technically not the first time, but yeah, we're finally here now. I just wanted to record this moment and maybe look over it a couple of times, share it with you all. All right, here are the accessories that come with it. I did not know that it came with a freaking black cable. That's nuts, bro. And the block. I got the 76 watt because I don't know, bro. Like that giant, the other giant one, I feel like it would have taken up too much space. So I would have actually took the smaller one too. I'd rather like a smaller block, but this one I do. I am exhausted, y'all, but I'm so very happy to have finally had my MacBook. Finally. It's so nice. But yeah, currently setting up. I'm gonna use it to edit this video probably. Peace. All right, y'all, it's been a few days and I kind of just wanted to show you how I had it set up and, you know, my thoughts on it so far. So I hope this video gives you like the clarity that you need if you decide on a purchase. I'm gonna just go right out and say it. That Air gonna do everything you needed to do, but if you want to spend the money on the Pro, I personally feel like it's worth it. I like to have my dock on the right, on the left side. You know, I don't know, that feels really clutch and cool to me. The battery, just spectacular. Spectacular. I did not know it was gonna be that good. And yeah, if you haven't already, if you got a PC, if you got a Mac, whatever, go get this Sonic Unleashed or Recompile. I don't know if you like Sonic or not, but you'll end up loving it if you get this. Really, really good. Textures look better, the game runs better. It's just amazing. I used to play the 360 version back in the day, and it was pretty good too, but it was just so unstable. But you know, we're not talking about that right now. I actually haven't done any writing on this, and that was like photography and writing was like the main purpose of me getting a laptop. I just been kind of having fun and doing homework on it. But yeah, I'm actually going to edit this video right now as we speak. So yeah, catch you guys on the flip side when I actually do it. All right, bye.